So that's really true about the phone numbers. I'll test Mary some of the time and I'll say, but addresses too. I'll be like, oh, this person, what's their address? And she'll rattle it off. And it's more impressive because I don't know any addresses because I just follow GPS, So I'm impressed that she has that kind of memory. Before I became pastor here last year, I'd already heard wonderful things about Mary from Father Aaron Kochevar, who was here as a seminarian, who I was living with back in Colorado Springs, and then from Father Jim, of course. And also, as I was coming out, I didn't know what it would be like to pastor a parish. This was my first time being a pastor, and so when I got here, I was kind of surprised to find that everything just seemed to run on its own accord. It just kind of kept going. And then I realized that it didn't just keep going on itself, it's because Mary was here. And she's been here for 40 years, and she knows all the ins and the outs. She knows all the people, and so therefore, when I stepped into it, I could just come in and kind of slowly get my feet wet and kind of learn what it's like to be a pastor here, because she was keeping everything going. And that was a real gift to me. I would say she's really the backbone and the nerve center of the parish these 40 years. She's seen 9 pastors, let alone a couple of priests who were here for just like a month or 2 in the past. And so in the midst of lots of priests coming and going, she's really been the continuity there in the office, there for the parish. And that's really important for a parish to have. As priests come in, go out, that there's someone who is consistent, who is constant, and that has been her. I'm kind of amazed sometimes because when I ask her to do something for me, sometimes it's done before I get the words out of my mouth. That's kind of amazing. I remember, or almost anyway, I remember one time there was this whole big report that the diocese wanted on the parish. And this is just like what happens every day, okay? But this is just an example I thought of. And I said, before Mass, I said, hey, could you get this done for me? Thinking maybe by the end of the week, we'd have it. I came back from Mass and boom, it was all done, ready to go. So always she's efficient, always she's effective in getting things done. And I'm really grateful to work with her because it's a joy to be around her. It's a joy to be able to interact with her, to get ideas from her, to bounce ideas off of her, to learn from the wisdom and the experience that she has, and to be kind of guided by her into the way of being a pastor here at St. Joseph. And so, in honor of her and gratitude for her, please lift your glass. And here's to Mary.